Tell them, babe.
Welcome back to the next episode of Dollar Domino. This is Dollar Domino episode, I believe, number 8. So for this episode, we're going to do something a little bit different. Where it is the end of March, that means that Q1 is done. So basically, what we're going to show you in this video is Q1's totals for profit-wise. Net profit, completely net. Now, I want to mention that Dollar Domino has been kind of slow, and we didn't realize till we really broke this all down that we need to give Dollar Domino a little more attention as far as sourcing goes.
We thought things were just really slow and that Dollar Domino could have been like a failure. But we was wrong. Tell them, babe.
You know why we were wrong? Because look, these 3 items right here are the only active listings from the Dollar Domino that we currently have listed. Everything else is sold. So we have a hat, a Pluto plush toy, and a tin.
But babe, what's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that? Well, it means we're not making sales. So what we need to do is we need to go out and start sourcing with the money that we have made from all of these items. Now, let me run through these items real quick with you.
Yes, please. It looks like you had a wonderful person write this up for you.
I did. So we had the veggie shredder. Veggie. I'm gonna just pretend that's an IE.
Good thing I'm a hygienist and I'm not an English teacher.
So we had that veggie shredder. We made $8.73 profit on that.
And that was our first item.
First item. Then we had the expired. Was this expired ink or was it?
No,
I don't think it was
expired.
actually. So printer ink. Total net profit on that was about $17. The VHS tapes. That was the big one that recently sold. We made $31.12 profit on that one.
I found those all by myself.
That was pretty good. We had the Halo figure, which was a retail arbitrage figure from Walgreens, I believe. Yeah. Made $4.67 on that, but that was in one day. We sold this in the day we bought it.
Like, real quick. Like, a couple hours.
And then we had Tape A, which was a cassette tape that I actually listed on Amazon. That sold, what was it, last week, week before? We made $2.98 on that, and then we also sold the second tape on Amazon and made $2.34 on that. Now, the total buy-in cost for these 2 tapes, it might not look like much for these 2 tapes here.
You're releasing my numbers.
Sorry. Profit-wise, but it cost $2 to buy into this, to buy these 2 tapes because they were together, and I separated them to sell them. So, $2 investment came out to be, about, what, $5, $6 profit?
A little over $5.
A little over $5, yeah, okay. Anyway, so, that being said, we have a total, so far, net profit of $66.78. Now, that is very low. We got to get this number way up. And you know how we're going to get that number way up? Is we're going to go out sourcing, like we were saying at the beginning here. Now, we have a lot of money to play with. We have not gone sourcing with the Dollar Domino profit money yet. We still have these 3 listed here, and we paid $1 for each one of these. So what's going to happen is we're going to subtract $3, because it's 3 items, from this net profit, because we still have $3, sitting invested in these items that haven't moved yet. So we technically have $63.78 to work with as far as going out and sourcing new items to expand this Dollar Domino.
That is because
extravaganza.
Each of these totals already take into account the subtracted amount that these were actually, or the original cost.
Yes, the cost of goods, yep. So this is pure net profit right here, this number.
So really, we've been sucking.
Yeah, really, we've
been slacking
as far as sourcing goes. For the Dollar Domino, we've been focused on a lot of other things lately. But we want to really start focusing on this and really start to build it and kind of gain some traction.
Can you imagine if we only did this after, like, the things that we've had sourced, and this has been a little while that it's just been these 3 things.
Yeah.
We would have made a lot, because those just sold, I know, but that's been a while since it sold. Right. That was before the office was built.
But, so, something to remember is when we started this back in January or whenever we started it, we started with $1. And we have taken that dollar and made it into $66, which $66 really isn't that much. But if you put it into perspective, turning $1 into 66. Just imagine what we can turn $66 into in this second quarter of the year. So I just figured I'd mention that.
So
we can
like
really
we
start
can
to
turn
scale
it
it
into
now.
$5.
I'd like to see.
Are you
How
gonna
about
make
this?
goals? You
How
gotta
about
watch
this?
out when you make goals.
I know. It's
you get
kind of scary
disappointed.
making goals. Let's see.
Ooh.
Okay, so quarter 4, or by quarter 2, the end of quarter 2, which would be what?
June. Right before the wedding.
So the end of June would be the end of quarter 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because that's the
correct,
6 months.
6 month. So I want to have this net profit number up to $300. Like you two.
And I want a real unicorn in the backyard.
Come on, that's not bad. $300 isn't bad.
Come on, Kim. You want a real unicorn.
I think we can do it. I don't think it'll be that hard. I think we can do that. So that is the goal. $300 by the end of Q2 for Dollar Domino.
Well, let's get going.